In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve the quality of your videos in CapCut Desktop in just few simple steps. So watch the video to the end to improve your video quality. So before we start, there are some things you need to get ready before you start this tutorial, and they are very easy to get, so watch the tutorial carefully. What you will need is the footage you want to improve the quality, so I have mine right here. And the second thing you will need is a white background. And you can easily get it from Canva, or just search a white background on Google, then download it. Now, after import all what you need to the media panel, then add your footage to the timeline. Now, the next thing is to add an adjustment layer to the timeline. So, go to the media panel tool, look for adjustment, then add a default adjustment layer to the timeline. Now, extend your adjustment layer to match your clip on the timeline, so the adjustment will be applied to the whole footage. Now, go to the attribute panel, because we are going to make some adjustments. Now, under Adjust, select the Curves tab, and this is where we will make the adjustment. So, under Curves, there are 4 different color adjustment curves. There is Luma, Red, Green, and Blue. So, let's start with the Luma curve. So, just hold and drag the endpoint to the bottom. And don't worry about the colors, we will deal with that. Now hold the other point and drag it up to the top. Now move to the next color curve and do same. So do same to all the remaining curves. Now when you are done, add blur effect to the timeline. So go to Effects, then under the Video Effects and search for Blur. In CapCut, there are 3 blur effect, and make sure you select the exact blur I'm using to get the same results at the end. So add it to the timeline and extend the blur effect to the end of the footage on the timeline. Now set the blur effect's intensity to 60. Then export your footage, and we are going to use it again later in the video. Now on the same project, delete the blur effect and the adjustment layer, and leave only the main footage. Now import our video back to the media panel. Then add it to the timeline. Now under the Basic tab, scroll to Blend and set the blend to Color Burn. Then reduce the opacity to 30. Now add your white background to the timeline and extend it to match your footages on the timeline. Now go to Blend and change it to Overlay. Then reduce the opacity to 80. Now go to Adjustment and add a default adjustment to the timeline, then extend it to match the footage on the timeline. Now, under the Basic tab, add some adjustment to your footage, and I'm going to place mine on the screen to use as a reference. This is how to improve the quality of your videos in CapCut Desktop. So, if this video was helpful, then like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.